Hi everybody, I'm back with another CCNA lab session, and today we're going to see how we can configure or make VLANs, or we can say virtual LANs. By virtual LANs we mean we can convert a physical switch into multiple logical switches, or more technically we can convert one physical broadcast domain into multiple broadcast domains. So how we can do that? The configuration of a VLAN or virtual LAN is done in two steps. First we define a virtual LAN, and then we define the members or assign the members. By members we mean the ports or the interfaces that we want part of a particular VLAN. Today we are going to see, as you can see in this diagram, this specific switch has 14 ports or interfaces, and I am going to make 3 virtual LANs with VLAN 2, 3 and 4 with names IT, HR and Finance respectively. So for that we will see how we can configure a switch. But before configuration you need to know another thing, and that is that every switch is already by default a VLAN with a virtual with an ID 1, and all the ports or the interfaces are members of that default VLAN. So when we are going to make these virtual LANs, we will be assigning the IDs, and those IDs will be then be de-assigned from the default virtual LAN that exists. So let's start with it, and for that let's go to packet tracer. I've already placed a switch. Now click on it and open its CLI. There you go. Now since I said that we can define first a VLAN and then define its members, the definition part is done in the terminal mode, or you can say the configure terminal mode, and the defining members or assigning members is done in the specific interface that we have to assign to a specific VLAN. So let's define first. Let me show you how we can see the virtual LANs. You give command show VLAN, and you can see that there is a VLAN ID 1 with name default, and all the ports are assigned to it. And now we will be making some VLANs. Let's go to configuration terminal mode. Our first VLAN would be VLAN 2, like in the diagram, and if I use the command do show VLAN, there you go. I have a VLAN 2 now, but the name is a random one. But as we said, we will be using the names and the VLAN numbers according to the diagram, so we have to name it name IT. And now if we say do show VLAN, it will give VLAN 2 and name is IT, but there are no members or ports assigned. So let's start assigning that. For that I said we have to go into the respective port 0/1 and give command SwitchPort, then mode access. This is the first command, and the second is SwitchPort access, and then the VLAN ID VLAN 2. So there you go. This is the first member that we have assigned or defined for VLAN 2. Let's check it. Do show VLAN, and there you go. There is one member in the VLAN IT or VLAN 2. Okay, let's configure another one into FA 0/2, and then I'm going to be using shorts now. SwitchPort mode access, SwitchPort access VLAN 2. So here goes another one. Let's do another one for some practice. And switch mode access and switch access VLAN 2. and sorry for that. And if you give to show and sorry VLAN, and we have 3 members. So since I have to assign all the members, I have already made some commands that I can use, because we have to do this again and again, the similar thing. So I have already made some commands that we can use to do this quickly. Okay, I have made this packet for the IT portion, so I will just copy it and then paste it, and when I will click enter my whole VLAN, there are the 8 members for the first VLAN, VLAN 2 named IT. Okay, so I'm done there. So let's make another VLAN according to the diagram. VLAN 3, name it HR. Okay, and then like we did, get back one step, and then we will see, first verify, sorry, to show VLAN. There you go, 3, no members yet. Int FA 0/9. Okay, switch access, sorry, switch access VLAN 3 to show VLAN, and there you go, 09 in VLAN 3. Let's populate other members. Again, I will take the help of my commands I've already made. They're the same, you have to just repeat the process again and again for all the commands in one portion. So let's paste it. Okay, and when I will press enter key and then verify my all 8 from 9 to 16 are in the VLAN 3. So now I have to do the last thing according to my diagram, VLAN 4. Okay, and then name it finance, then exit, just verify, you show VLAN, yeah, there it's the 4. Let's give it a member FA 0/17 and switch access, and then switch access VLAN 4, give exit to show VLAN. There you go. So I will populate the rest using my commands to save time. You have to do that because I've already made these ones. So let's do this, and I've already all the commands. Let's press enter and now verify, and I have all the ports assigned to my custom made 3 VLANs. And if you can see, all the ports from the default are no longer there because they have been assigned to my VLAN. So this is how you can configure a VLAN. So that's all for today. Until we meet again, goodbye and take care.